NASDAQ 100 again traded bearish and traded with a good drop despite a little recovery, but still traded completely bearish throughout the week. See, it opened below and it has achieved the lower lows also. Also remember this fact, see this candle when we talked about that the bulls are not there and possibility of a retracement exists, and the only buy position was beyond 11,720. It failed to do so, traded with bearish bias, went close to 10,600 levels. Now see this how it has behaved. Look at this, higher lows, this is what you should consider, and higher highs. So now what to expect next week? Is this the bottom which is done, and can we buy from here, or are we looking at another round of crash with the CPI data? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing out to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Missing on to press the bell icon, you are going to miss the updates which I share on the daily basis, one with the Asia session, next with the US cash session, 2 videos a day, and definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Trading as per the targets, definitely you can profit, so do not miss this opportunity. Let's start. First we look into the daily charts followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategies, so do watch till the end. Now look at the, see this was the retracement. We had seen stronger bullish momentum. It has almost formed a double top there, and now it is trying to retrace again. Now see another observation on the daily charts. This was the previous lows despite a breakout. This time again it has achieved further lows, and in fact it has seen 10,600 levels. So one point, if you connect the dots here, let's draw something, and if you connect the dots here, you will find this is an expanding and bullish triangle. Till the time it trades about 10,600, probability of it to trade bearish exists, but at the same time remember the last candle was a bullish candle and it has seen lower highs. So yes, once it breaks past 10,920 next week, certainly you can remain bullish. Once you see it about 10,920, you can buy NASDAQ 100. You can expect that the inflation data may bring little cheer for the markets, and then you can expect 11,200, 11,400, and see this zone at 11,500. 11,500 is going to be a very good resistance. Beyond that, certainly you can expect 11,650, and beyond that it is going to fly high till towards 12,000 level. So that is one part on the daily charts. Now also look, see, it also appears that it is trying to trade in this sideways box between 10,500 to 11,500, 700 levels for a little while, and may show you swing before it tries to take a direction. And this is one part, and hence 11,700, 10,600, 10,500 levels are going to be a good swing zone. It can try to play around this for a little while before it tries to take a direction. This appears on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts too, typically it is trading near to the support levels here, breaking below which there is a long way to go for NASDAQ 100. 10,000, 9,600, 9,000 levels are yet to be seen. If not this time, possibly next time, yes. And look at the weekly charts. If till the time it sustains 10,600, you can remain bullish. Probably we can see a stronger bullish momentum also, which might take it till towards 12,000 levels this week itself. You have to remain cautious. Any move beyond 10,920, you can certainly buy NASDAQ 100 and expect it to rise. But remember 11,200, 400, 500. Wait for 11,500. This is first resistance zone, very strong resistance zone, and then 11,650. Beyond that, it is going to give you 12,000 levels this week itself. Remember this fact. And now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, on the other side, the only observation here is lower highs, higher lows, both are done. It appears it may try to consolidate here in between this. So 11,700, 6 and 10,600 and 11,600, these are the 1,000 points where it is showing you a swing, and probability exists that only breaking either of these levels it is going to give you a stronger momentum. Now see, previous two candles, sharper bearish candle, a little retracement, and now it is again opening lower. It is taking the pull on the downside. Once it breaks past the previous lows, that is at 10,450, you can expect similar size of candle may appear, which is almost close to 1,200 points. And if you count 1,200 points from here, you can expect 10,000 levels, and in fact it can trade below till towards 9,800, 9,600 levels. So I'll wait for it to breach past 10,450 levels, which will also bring more bearishness, which will also bring a stronger downward push, which may take it till towards 10,000 levels this month itself. And on the long term, it is going to hit my long term targets in 9,600, 900, 9,000 levels if it is not reversing from here. Even if it tries to reverse, achieve 12,000 and 13,000 levels, there is a possibility that it is going to come back to 9,600, 9,000 levels. You have to mark these words. You have to note down the levels. Maybe in few weeks, few months, or few years, but these levels will certainly come. This is one part to it. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators on the daily charts? Trading below the 20 period, 50 period and 100 period moving average. See the 50 and 100 period moving average trading with a divergence. At the same time, 20 and 50 period average are now converging, indicating little bullishness there. On the near term and the mid term, it is showing you little more bearishness. Now see, if it breaks past the zone at 11,200, certainly you can consider it for a good buy till towards 11,450, 500, and breaking beyond which it is going to give you very strong bullish momentum till towards 12,000 levels. Directional movement, bearish, it may converge here, hence you can expect a rise. Stochastic is oversold, it may also try to bounce back. The MACD has just crossed over. This is just 2 red candles away. This is only one thing which is indicating further bearishness to continue. See, this is parallel, this is divergent, this is just crossed over. Only sharper green candle on the upside will bring it further and will make it cross over. I'll wait for this to happen. Till that time, it is showing bearishness on MACD. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly chart, 12,000 is the major resistance, sustaining above which you can find out there going to be a very strong bullishness. Yes, there is a crossover between the 50 and 100 period moving average, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish and divergent. The stochastic was trading oversold, now looking upwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is slightly diverging again and indicating bearishness. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly charts, it is trading below the 20 and 50 period moving average, indicating little more bearishness. The directional movement is divergent, indicating bearishness. The RSI is again oversold on the monthly charts, and probably reversing from here, it can try to show you. So yes, there is a chance of a pullback. Do not think that it cannot pull back again on the upside. Hence, you have to be cautious, you have to be vigilant with the CPI data. There could be a possible rise, which we can see. The MACD is divergent bearish, and it is trading flat. It is trading with divergence, indicating still the bearishness is not completely eliminated, and RSI is looking downwards. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy for next. And before I give you the levels and strategy for next week, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join our 17th mentorship batch, which is going to start on 4th of December. Let's take a pledge to become a profitable trader next year. And yes, let's take a place to learn first. You can join my mentorship batch. Definitely it will equip you to fulfill your pledge. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Look at the performance of the signals channel. Many times I have posted here on the communities tab and the Telegram channel. And yes, my Telegram and email IDs where you can connect me are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do reach out to me for more details on same. Now let's have a look at the levels to buy. See, it has closed the week at 10,830 levels, but I will recommend you to buy only at 10,860. Beyond that, the next target is 10,920, very strong resistance, then 10,970. See, if these three are taken next week, if it trades above these three, certainly you can expect that we are looking forward to a flyer. We can see 11,050, 11,120, and then 11,180 levels. Beyond that, I will look forward to 11,250, 300, 400, 500. These are the targets. But till 11,500, you cannot expect that it is completely bullish. Only if it breaks past 11,500, 600 zone, you can consider this for a stronger bullish. On the downside, you can sell again if you see it at 10,700. 60 levels. Below that, you can sell for 10,700. This is the major support. Breaking below 10,700, consider this as bearish. 10,650, 10,600, and then 10,500. Till 10,500, as you saw on the charts, it is trying to show you a sideways movement in between 10,500, 11,500. You have to stay cautious, be alert at these levels. Below 10,500, there could be a stronger drop, which will take it till towards 10,400, and if this is taken, then 10,000 levels cannot be denied in the coming days. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a strict stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Remember, these levels are just not levels. You have to stick and abide by these levels. Take an entry accordingly, and please keep closing your trades once it reaches first milestone, and then subsequently at different milestones you can keep closing, re-entering, this is one part. Either you can book 50%, continue with the rest 50%, or you can just shift your stop loss to these milestones and trade profitably. Do not miss the discipline. Markets are going to be volatile, markets are choppy, and they are going to remain choppy, and hence you have to be cautious. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trading stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.